Hey colorful weirdos, my name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be trying out new hair color from Blee.ph. This is the colors that I request from them. So this is Teal. And then, this is Taro. So, I got this Taro kasi wala pa atang nag-try nito. So, I'll be the first one who will try Taro. And then, I really want to try their Teal. So, sabi ko, sige, I'll get the Teal also. And in the package, there is also a parang manual for how to color your hair. And before coloring, so you can scan it here. I'll show it here. What's inside the paper. So yeah, it's nice na meron silang guide na may the level guide and then how to tone your hair, the bleaching and stuff, do's and don'ts and stuff like that. So yeah, meron rin sila dito. If you want to buy their products, I'll leave their link in the description box down below. And then you can actually, if you want a 10% discount, you can use my voucher code BLEENINA. So, let's get dyeing color. So, my sister is trying to section my hair into 4 sections. So, 2 front piece and then 2 piece at the back as well. And then, what you will need here is again comb, towel, and gloves if you want, and brush if you want also. Then from here, part a straight line in both sides all the way to the back. Once you're done fixing the 4 section, find your middle, then section that middle, and you will section the hair diagonally. That way, it will flow naturally yung hair mo. So, yun. So the first tub or the color, the one that I chose for the highlight color is Taro. So what you will see here is more on like teal, then highlight na lang si Taro. So yun yung end look. So, this is the finished look. I actually left it around 1 hour. Kasi nakalagay dito, leave it for 1 hour or 60 minutes and cover your hair with a shower cap for better results. So, that's what I did. And, yes! Ang ganda niya. So, what we planned here is parang balayage kind of hair. So, yung purple, hindi kumapit sa pinakataas. Pero, sa ends, as you can see, may mga, tawag dito, parang mga lilac. So, eto yon. Mukha siyang lilac kind of hair. I think the color of this one is medyo lilac. So, yeah, you need a level, what ba? Level at least 7 or 9. I think level 8 to 9. At least level 8 to 9 because of the lightness, I think. And when you apply this, hindi siya runny consistency. It's not watery consistency. It's very thick. Parang siyang slime. So, medyo weird siya hawakan. And then, yeah, this one kasi is 130 ml. So, you can, if you want to buy this and if you want to achieve this kind of hair color, you can actually use my voucher code. It's BLEENINA for 10% discount. So, buy na if you want this kind of hair. Si purple or si Taro, siya yung highlights, and the blue one, siya yung parang yun yung black hair ko. So, yeah, that's what we did. Very hard to do, but it's really nice to achieve. Sobrang ganda niya. And I like the smell of the hair dye. Sobrang, ewan ko, parang vanilla na matamis. Parang siyang vanilla. Parang siyang cupcake pag inamoy mo. So, also what I like about this is, Blee doesn't really, the color pot doesn't stain at all. So, when I was rinsing my hair, plus points kasi yon for me. Usually, sa mga ibang hair colors that I usually partner up, or if they want to try it out, I usually get the blue one or the teal one because usually sila yung medyo mahirap tanggalin sa CR. So, it didn't stain. Walang na stain sa tiles. So, plus points yon. And also sa towel ko, walang na so sobrang dikit niya talaga, as in okay, ang ganda, and walang bleeding na nangyari sa Blee, sa color pots. So I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.